to make an Instagram video square with any type of text that you want. I've already opened up Keynote and I'm going to click on the white presentation just because I want to. Then I'm going to delete these and head over to Document. Then instead of standard or widescreen, you're going to go to custom slide size. And all you want to do is change 1024 to by 1024. Click OK. You see that makes it a nice square. Now I'm going to go over to my files and I'm going to take my movie 23. This is something I posted earlier on Instagram. It's about opinions and how to get past them. So you can either leave it like this and you can have text in top and bottom, or this does stretch your video out, and so you're going to see like it's a lot more zoomed in. I don't really prefer this option, but if you properly prepare your video, that can happen. Like I said, not a fan, so I'm going to put that back down to proper size, and it aligns perfectly, as you can see. It's probably better like that way. Okay, cool. Then if you want to add text, you just click the text tool and go back to format, click text, and I use Golden Youth caps, and so I'm going to put in there dealing with opinions. Okay. And then I can make it larger by, I have to highlight. Don't forget to highlight. And then I can make it larger. If I want to make just one word larger, highlight that one word. That's actually a pretty cool way of doing it. So then I'm going to move this up here. You see a lot of videos like this where it's like, oh, look at what the people have done. You can add color if you want. I usually go over here, pick a similar color to what I want to use. And then you can use like this whole round if you really want to. Then at the bottom, just because I feel like it today, I'm going to add an eye roll emoji. I have an eye roll emoji with PNG. So PNG is a transparent background. And you're just going to scale that friend down. And I'm going to keep scaling them down. And I could put them right there, align them in the middle. And that's basically it, okay? You can actually change this background if you want to, too. You can add a bunch of different stuff. You can add a logo. But that's all I really want to do. So I'm going to go to File and Export. Then QuickTime. So I'm going to make a QuickTime video. You can leave all this as is, or you can take it to 1080p. I'm going to leave it at 720p right now. Then click Next. And InstaVid. I'm just going to save it like that. It's going to create my movie. And once I do that, it will open up as a square, perfect square that it is. And that's what you guys are seeing when you go to my Instagram, which is bossy.behavior, at bossy.behavior. And I'll make sure to put it in the link down below and right here on the screen so you can see.